that's nailed on that next riser. The other one was all rotted out. This one happens to be nailed up in there, so I'm going to have to be careful with that. I may have to cut this 4x12 in half. I don't want to start prying on it too much over there for fear that on this side, last thing I want to do is crack that stucco over there, because I want to put these back without damaging the stucco. Alright. Oh, I tried to get this one stair tread out, but I'm going to have to cut it with the saw, so I wanted you to see how I do this with the saw and the Sawzall. There's a nail under here, way back up in here, that's nailed down holding this. I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to move this one piece so that then I can get in there with a Sawzall or split it or do something to get it out. Now let's cut it about 2/3. I'm going to just let the camera go here. I've got my 6-inch blade. I might have to use my 9. I'm not sure yet. Trying not to cut the 2x6 riser. Because it's dry rotted, I think I can just jam the blade in here and cut it. The back side of the 2x6 riser. I'm trying to save that riser piece, but if I mark it up, I could fix that. See if I can get it from underneath. Haven't cut off just yet. Trying to do it so I don't damage the 2x6 underneath. Woo-wee. I got it cut all the way to here. Just have to finish it off. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Try not to mess up the stucco over here. You may have to take it out that way. Come on, baby. Oh, there. There. Whew. This piece is pretty heavy. I'm gonna have to walk it down the stairs, I guess. Oh. Now I can get this out. I might have to split it off. Or, like I say, I think there's a nail right in here somewhere. Boy, that's a funky 4x12. Usually they're one piece of wood. And this one, it looks like it's all 2x4s glued together. I don't know what that's all about. It's still held up. Yep, sure enough. 3 or 4 nails on this plate before the stucco that goes on down. So I gotta be careful. But we know how that's built. They built the stairs to go all the way underneath. I'm gonna have to take a closer look at these stairs. But I'm hoping not to have to do any more. I mean, I could take them all off if I wanted. Cut these. I would cut these in thirds to make it a little bit easier, I think. Boom, boom. Pull it out. But then to put them all back in, see, what I'm hoping to do is cut them and then push them in this way and then over and up against there, because there's no way I could take it and go in that way. I'd have to make them short, but that's okay. I could make them stick in 2.5, 3 inches instead of 6 inches, and push them in and flop it down. But enough of that. Not at that exact point yet. I think most of the rest of these stair treads are in pretty good shape, actually. You know, I'm going to have to, there's check marks on them, and I'm going to have to patch it and reseal it, caulk it. You see there being gaps there. The water just flows down right in there, right down the column and down in there. That was a little bit of how the water got in there too. Not all of it, just a little bit. But I think, for the sake of argument, the rest of the stairs are going to be okay. And now I need to just get back in there and see what else I need to do. Hey, did you learn something? I hope you did. You want to keep learning? Keep watching.